to our next problem.
Huh? Here? Here we have our food storage. It's where we, well...
Oh, let me guess. Store your food.
Ring.
I want to see the killing thing.
Follow me.
That's right. Plead for your pathetic life.
He's really got a handle on that whole deranged thing. Why don't we see to signing that treaty now?
Sounds like my father.
Sign the treaty, Dagur. Leave that chicken alone, Dagur. Put down that axe, Dagur.
Your father is a great man, and I'll not have you disrespected.
My father was a coward. I intend to return the Berserkers to their former glory, something he was incapable of doing. I know it! Where is it? Oh, let me kill it! Let me kill it!
Dagur. That's stoic. Always the prankster. Tell me, Dagur, what are some of your deranged plans for the Berserker tribe?
Nice. Very clean. No hands. Pity. Ah, Hiccup. There you are.
Dagur! I was just thinking about you. Hey, remember that time we went swimming and you tried to drown me?
Oh, the laughs we had. Bored again. Something is going on here.
I can explain.
Where is it?
Look, it's just one dragon.
Your leg.
What?
You, the Red Death, defeated it all on your own?
Me? Look at me. How is that even possible?
Right? That's what I thought too. But then I heard about the trained dragons, and it got me, well, kind of tingly.
Trained dragons? I don't even... How would you train a dragon?
I don't know. How would you?
All right then, who's hungry? Oh boy, am I hungry.
Huh? I said this way, Dagur. Get that dragon out of here.